way this is going to work is a situation is going to be presented, and Adam and I are going to act it out. But two members from the audience are going to provide all the sound effects from the scene. Joseph and Willie.
I think there were 3 picks.
Joseph's going to be doing the sound effects for me, and Willie's going to be doing the sound effects for Aaron. And now we need a situation. Basically, what are we going to do?
Cow stomach.
You're running. You're running.
No, it's not just
Running from the cops.
Running
I like
from the
that.
cops. Perfect. All right.
We're losing them.
Well, keep driving faster. Come on.
I'm going 127. I'm going fast. Oh no, Cal's in the road.
Get out.
Okay, now where do we go? Barrels, get under. Chipmunk unit.
Why are they even in Alabama?
Oh, he's on my phone. Hello? It's broken.